Hello, let me just show you a very interesting thing, and let's test this out in real time. So this is a trained chat GPT, which is about Relume AI website builder. So this is about like we will give our requirements and it will generate a prompt for us that we can use on the Relume AI website builder to build a website. So I have a requirement. So let me just copy it from here and let's put it right there. Okay, so let me just remove some of the things there, like these requirements, which is the deadline. So this is not actually for the prompt. And yeah, so this is actually about what this page will be about. So this is a new page request for Jenna Circle, and they are going to open a new location, which is Lincolnwood, in Lincolnwood. And so we need to build a marketing page, and it will tell us about what is about a Lincolnwood location, how much cost it required to complete the construction, and the benefit and how it will benefit the community, right? So let's give this information to this trained chat GPT, and let's get started. Whatever. Okay, so it's asking me a few questions. What type of website are you looking to build? Is this a fundraising charity page or a business marketing page, right? So let me just answer it a few questions. So let's just give an answer like this is going to be a fundraising and charity page, right? And the second answer is going to be, what is the target audience? Yeah, community members. Yeah, potential donors, local businesses, yes, and general public, obviously. And the third one is, what is the official name of the site? Would you like to include location details like official website as Jenna Circle, but the page title would be Lincolnwood location, just Lincolnwood, okay? And yes, let's include the location. Okay, so it is asking me, would you like to include location details like Lincolnwood IL in the name? Yes, let's include the location details in the name. Okay, so here is a quick summary. We are creating a fundraising page for Jenna Circle, Lincolnwood. This page will target community members. It will highlight the new Lincolnwood location, outline the cost. Okay, let me put this into action and get your project link ready. One moment. Wants to talk to APIs. The following will be shared. Allow. I'm not sure what is this. Congratulations. Wow. We have taken your info and turned it into a sitemap and wireframes. Click below to check it out and start customizing. Okay, let's copy this link, and because we have the Relume paid account. So let's just log in and then paste the link in this account. I think it's already logged in, so let's try to put this link here and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's opening the Relume sitemap builder, and okay, so yeah, so this is the page it built for us. So it is suggesting that it is going to be a navigation bar, the hero header section, which overview of general circles mission, highlight the new Lincolnwood location with images and brief description, outline the cost to complete, how the new location benefits, encourage. Okay, so this is the CTA benefit section, testimonials. Okay, so let's try to build a wireframe for this sitemap. So how can I do this? Let's click here, and if I click on, I think it will auto generate the wireframes. Yeah, so I just need to switch to the wireframe tab, and now it build a page for me with real content. Right there you can see with the real, not the real content, but not with lorem ipsum. Right? Introducing our new Lincolnwood location, a hub for community growth and support. Very nice. Understanding the cost for our new Lincolnwood location. So it added $100K that we need to raise for this location, and this is all we have. So this is going to be the location. So this looks really nice. So I think this is a very good starting point for us. And you know that on the style guide, let's try to see that how it goes with the style guide. Wow. So it is adding the pictures, adding the colors, and you can see that things are taking shape actually. Yeah, so in just a few seconds it looks really nice, and I have also the mobile version as well, that how it looks on mobile. We are not using these fonts. Definitely I need to switch these fonts to a different one. I need to switch the colors to different colors, the colors we are using on the website. But at least we have the a very good starting point. I can just I can just copy these components and I can paste it in Webflow, and I can start building on the top of it, and we can share the progress with the client in the next hour. So this is really good.